Hey guys, today on Cooner DIY we're going to be replacing the rear bumper on our 1966 Mustang. So stick around if you'd like to see how I did it. Alright guys, so today we're going to be going ahead and taking off our rear bumper as well as the two brackets down here on each side. Main reason is you can tell it's been hit before a little bit right here. There's a bulge right there in it and it's kind of crooked right up in here. So we're going to get rid of it and we'll see how the new one looks on there.
Alright guys, here we are on the trunk. In order to get this rear bumper removed, from my understanding, we're going to want to take out this bolt down here, as well as this bolt right here. And then this one is for the little brackets that hang down below the bumper. So first I'm going to go for these two big ones. These should be a 5/8. Here are these, and then it's going to be the same thing on the other side over here. Okay, so one thing you want to do before you take off the bumper is take out these two Phillips head screws down here for the license plate light, and then that way this won't be attached. We'll get those off here real quick. Okay, so on the old bumper you're going to have these brackets that you're going to want to remove. These two nuts right here are 5/8, so you should be able to use the same socket as you used to remove the bumper. And we have one here, and there's one over on that side. So let's go on ahead and get to it. Okay, here is the new bolts and washers and everything that I got for the new bumper. Part number from National Parts Depot is 17906-1AK. So that is this kit right here. Alright, so for the new bumper, we will just go on ahead and put in the bolts exactly like how they came off the other ones. Then we will put this on here like so. The new nuts right here, these are going to be an 11/16. Alright, it's going to be the same thing on this one. Alright, so we've got the back end cleaned up a little bit, wiped a lot of the dust and grease off that was underneath the bumper area right there. There's some spots that I'll have to touch up when it comes time to do the body work on here. But one thing I'm definitely going to do is I'm going to start taking off these right here, as I'm really not too fond of those. So that will be our next step. So in order to take off those brackets, we will want to take out this bolt right about here, and that should be a 1/2 inch. Alright, so the next bolt to take off those lower pieces is right here, and that's going to be a 1/2 inch as well. When we go to put our bumper back on, we're going to want to make sure that we include these. It's a little kind of like a neoprene type washer, or like a foam washer. This is going to go in between the bumper mounts and the body to stop it from scratching the car. Alright guys, there you have it. Alright guys, so that's all there is to replacing the rear bumper on a 1966 Mustang. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.